What's on the block at Silicon Valley Disposition? May is stacked. Silicon Valley Disposition is bringing the heat with 7 online auctions and thousands of assets ready to hit the block. If you're looking to purchase high-end R&D instruments, manufacturing equipment, or essential facility support assets, now's the time to pay attention. Because SVD has loaded the calendar with can't-miss auctions all month long. First up, May 5th through 7th, it's SkyNano in Knoxville, Tennessee, featuring top-tier instruments, CNC machines, jacketed stainless steel vessels, and facility support equipment. At the very same time, May 5th through 7th, we're in San Diego for NanoCellect, the major biotech sale packed with premium instruments, valuable consumables, office furnishings, and facility support assets. Then, from May 12th through 14th, SVD heads to Menlo Park, where the RIOS Intelligent Machine Sale brings numerous industrial robots and additional facility support equipment to the auction block. And we're not stopping there. Also in the Bay Area, Alameda and Berkeley, May 12th through the 21st, we're launching 2 auctions for an electrochemical stack company, featuring an exciting mix of technology-related assets and biotech instruments. And to close out the month, we're going big. In Woodinville, Washington, SVD is conducting 2 sales for modern hydrogen, featuring over 1,000 lots. Expect an incredible lineup of machine tools, R&D equipment, carbon manufacturing equipment, and large volumes of facility support equipment. So whether you're buying, expanding, upgrading, or just hunting for exceptional value, May at SVD is where the action is. For sale details and complete catalog listings, visit svdisposition.com. And if you're closing a facility or looking for a smarter way to manage surplus assets, contact us at customerservice@svdisposition.com. Thanks for watching and happy bidding.